So there's a potential collision between two satellites tonight, and I have the camera set up. I'll post a picture here in a moment, hoping to capture it. I've set it for 5-second subs, and I basically picked the fastest lens because I'm hoping to get like in 5-second clips of this satellite. Because it's going to take about a minute to go across the field of view, and in theory, about halfway through that field of view, it's going to suddenly disappear in 1,000 pieces. Currently, it's being tracked at about 1 to 20 chance, so 1 in 20 odds. And yeah, we're going to see if it actually ends up happening or not, or I'm just, again, standing out here in the middle of nowhere, in the cold, hoping to get some astro imaging. So the moon's up, and it's got a lot of glows. I'm not sure how much I'm going to see, but I can definitely tell you that I'm not used to imaging straight up. So it's hopefully pointing in the right spot. And hopefully it'll catch something, because there is a momentary delay between each photo, which I don't know how to get rid of. Afterwards, I'm going to go and take this setup, because I have it already out here, and I'm going to point it up at the double cluster and see if I can get the Panstarr comet that is passing nearby. So it looks like there was no earth-shattering kaboom. The satellite just went right through the frame, didn't change course or anything like that. I didn't seem to get the other one very well, so it was much lower magnitude. But at the end of the day, it didn't seem like anything exploded that, or I was pointing in the wrong direction. Either way, nothing happened, and I was standing out in the cold. So I've now pointed at Panstarr, and it's taking some images while I wait for the moon to come down. At which point I will open the observatory and do some actual imaging for the night for a few hours. It's going to be clear, but I'm not going to push it like I did last time. That was a big mistake. Yeah, as much as I love astrophotography, there's a certain point of I do need sleep, but also past 2 o'clock seems to be more and more mistakes are made, and quality of work tends to drop pretty quick. If you enjoyed this content, please consider liking and subscribing the video, and comment below what kind of other astronomical stuff you want to see on the channel. Or let me know if something else cool is coming up that I should be pointing my camera at and capturing. And thank you for watching.